This content is intended for educational purposes only. Unauthorized use of these techniques is illegal. Please act responsibly.
Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll be demonstrating how AI-powered tools are transforming penetration testing, making it faster, smarter, and more efficient than ever before. If you're a website developer or an ethical hacker, this video will open your eyes to how vulnerabilities can be discovered using cutting-edge AI tools directly from the terminal. Disclaimer: this demonstration is for educational purposes only. The website used in this video is legally provided for testing by the cybersecurity community and is not a real-world production site. No unauthorized systems are being accessed or harmed in this process. Let's begin. We'll start by launching a tool from a directory called Vulscan in our terminal. This tool integrates with OpenAI's powerful models to assist in identifying website vulnerabilities in real time. The tool prompts us to enter the URL of the target website. I'll go ahead and paste in the link of a known testing site, a legal and ethical platform similar to TryHackMe or OWASP Juice Shop, specifically designed for demonstration and training purposes. Once the URL is entered, we're prompted to select the type of vulnerability we want to scan for. Options include SQL Injection, cross-site scripting XSS, open redirects, and more. But for this demonstration, I'll choose option 7 Full Scan, which checks for all known web vulnerabilities. Now the AI gets to work. The scanner connects using proxy chains to anonymize traffic and avoid IP blacklisting. It also automatically detects and attempts to bypass any minimal firewall or WAF, web application firewall, detected on the site. Now, it's checking for modern-day vulnerabilities, everything from OWASP top 10 risks to more niche threats. Let's watching to see how it works. The AI-powered scanner is actively analyzing the target. It's leveraging OpenAI's language model in the backend to intelligently recognize patterns, detect anomalies, and flag any security flaws, just like a seasoned ethical hacker would. From bypassing firewalls to detecting hidden vulnerabilities, it's all happening in real time. Let's watch the results roll in. And here we are. The AI tool has completed the scan and here's what it found. Cross-site scripting XSS vulnerable. Clickjacking vulnerable. Open redirects vulnerable. Broken access control vulnerable. And so on. Interestingly, while the tool scanned for SQL injection, it marked it as secure. However, this might be a false negative, a known issue, as the tool is still in development. Some complex injection points might not be detected due to evolving WAF evasion techniques or encoding issues. AI tools like this are a game changer for cybersecurity professionals. They help developers identify and fix vulnerabilities early, drastically reducing the risk of real-world cyberattacks. Once again, this demonstration did not involve any illegal activity. The website tested is legally authorized for penetration testing. Everything was done in a controlled and ethical environment. Please stay secure, stay updated, and stay protected.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon to stay ahead in cybersecurity. Check out more videos here to keep your knowledge sharp.